ndifumane ingoma yam ndiyabhatala for unshuta ividiyo ndifumane ividiyo yam yabo siyancedana olaa hlobo. Macario Ferragamo, Babiaza, Zazazela, and we're back on Street 14. Get that again, we are Kuala, we are going to we are Lanjan. So the way back from my mother when I bought Kaleko and also now not trying
Okay.
So today I'm here on Street 14. Let's take it away. Ferragamo is like an Italian brand, shoe brand, Ferragamo. So like, get something like the color, like serious. I wanted igama, elingazofana as the artist, but also catchy. So I started with Mr. No Pictures, Mr. No Pictures is like an irony because I like taking pictures. Also it's the irony of like taking pictures, Mr. No Pictures. Also when I took Mr. No Pictures, I was like, okay, let me check on Instagram, Mr. No Pictures, but I need some Mr. No Pictures of Makoi. Also like when someone goes online and search for Mr. No Pictures, kuvela abanye Mr. No Pictures. So I decided to change the camera. Lega Instagram, lega Facebook. So when I started my Facebook account, I was able to alwa like this company was on Facebook. So this exactly. So alwa no shade, when I was shade alwa, and then I started tapping into like Ukado. Karate I got Ukado and Suga from a motherwell. Motherwell got in this Ukado. So I wanted like a camera that's gonna like stand out, or can leave or communicate. This El Gama, like what your man who's in pronounce, obviously what pronounce, but as long as the more was on me is a man shoe in Matigamo. Also I chose to Ferragamo because I also like ambassadors as Italy, kulengena xesha lesikhothane nosina yabona amataliyane also into zase-Italy nazinqanywa lawe zitswemu like into yase-Italy, we all know my into yase-Italy tswemu, your Rosmoda, your DMD, your Cavella, all that type of shit. Also Ferragamo, like the other time Ferragamo because like not everyone knows the Ferragamo brand. So then I choose Ferragamo. Okay, like let's start from my motherwell. My motherwell, I grew up in a musical society whereby like artists like Otamuchi, Otamavesta, or Mr. Bale would come and show up at Bakeli, and host events. So like and then I remember growing up in motherwell in Sagamachi that we studied music groups. We studied music groups, that would be hip hop bangers, it could be Action Boys. So that's where like we started sitting down and writing as like as inspired by Rodman's as a dance about as a business. So like ever since then we made songs, we were young, we made songs, and then we were given a chance to like perform was on stages like a packet whenever like Umuchi would roll up like event a packet would come there and like perform. So that's where like my love for his stage is kind of going. And then moving from Kwazakele, I was actually born Kwazakele, family and Kwazakele, but the Kulele motherwell. I'm going to shape again motherwell. Kale motherwell shape kumtolo wami sisathola English. But kudala ngithola isiXhosa. And if it's first time nayibhala isiXhosa. So like kudala ngibhala isiXhosa, but then I fall into like ubhala English, and then like njengoba sabhala English ngafumana okay, like it's hard for immigrants to understand it. Yeah, more than because they come too much. Yeah, also the communicate, but there's something that's about like man shape them to also suitable for a machita, yeah, a machita, yeah, more like Nasoro to Bana, yeah, I'll come to create Mazam. Yeah, so I try to like make it suitable for everyone, and then you will make something with in English, we call it a Venek or a for me, umculo wami serious. I remember like back in COVID, the lockdown, like umuntu akakwazi ukuthini, akakwazi ukuphuma, so like I'm stuck there with my phone and these beats, hello beats, yeah, so I didn't have a chance to go to studio because uphuma kwami endlini, like amapolisa bebengarada esitratweni kade abantu bangaphumi and stuff, so it was hard for my year studio. So ngeli xesha loku ndi-locked in phaa kum, busy nefowuni yam, ndarekhode efowunini, yabo nje ndirekhode efowunini, ndimamelele umculo wam, and I'm like, no, you know, like I actually like tapped into like songwriting, yabo ndakwazi like ubhala ingoma ndifake iminingi tu engomeni, yabo, so that's when xa ndizimamela kweza ngoma like zam zabo-2019, yabo, from 2019 to 2020 xa ndizimamela fumaniseka uba okay, like nomjita like iyakwazi ubhala layo, like iyakwazi uconstruct ingoma ndiqonda nama like leyo mandiyiphile layo, yabo mandiyiphile.
Okay, so basically
the way I tell about it, so far so good in because like if it wasn't for like me stepping out there, like demanding as an artist, I call up again down the call up again interview, the podcast as we speak. Yeah, I'm also like about demanding about like artists that's found on Chico Man or Young Cares back from Motherwell and then Seleza. We started like creating a sound to construction yethu emanyelwa suitable for umanyelwa abantu basekaleni yethu, yabo, and started like performing, yabo, kuzo gigs sasizifumana, so yandeka kwenye ndawo lawe. And then when I moved to Motherwell to Joe Slovo, then I started meeting other artists like Okru Samson, yabo, Zalaman, Okrimba Krumba, like another whole world, like a different world from my world. Like thina besiseqala lento but aba bantu bona besiyipusha bona already leyo, so ndadibana nabo ke ngoku, and like nami ndasola ndiyipusha ke ngoko nahlobo. The difficulties endiqale endidibene nazo ngoba ndiqale umculo was like finding equipment yorekhoda into yokuqala, even nangoku like ndisakhona emajideni, yabo, so like I still have to find my own equipment. Yeah, also like finding equipment in the recorded because like as long as I'm going to cause sound, yeah, well, and as long as I'm going by cross night, and like no good platforms, yeah, well, because of finding platforms like in as a performer, if you don't bring your A game, yeah, well, to your music, so you have to bring your A game to your music, so that banner was like about who suitable for a performer. Yeah, I still remember the first day I recording, guys. I was recording earphones, Kotati, PC, Katati, Katati, Sakumbula, Dim, Tamabalas, Bukhari, Nochali. Yeah, Sakumbula. Because I still remember the beat. As I said, it's the high school by Nicki Minaj and Lil Wayne, in high school. So that was the first beat we recorded on, and that was the first song with them.
So do you remember the first song?
Then you ask you, the last lines, the first song, eating water. Called Ukado Ubalile, yeah. Which means I wrote my first verse. And I found out later on, like 2 years after, why call him Chita or any person swing Charlie, like Natis Rock and Mabalas, Turns out you're not trying to back another time. What the fuck? It's like a body pain, but a body pain will go slack. Anyway. I'm like, yes, as much as that. Okay, that's when I started writing for myself. That okay, I believe in like my own writing style. I remember the mistakes that I made was like, well, record, kapinde, like, studio, yeah. I wasn't like studio fit enough. So now, I used to spend like 4 hours in studio in a match. I used to spend like 4 hours in studio trying to complete tracking one, get up closest by 5. Yeah, so imagine like in Lona, yeah, it's my first day, my first recording. So we took more hours recording than the track. Yeah, so yeah, that's so yika. That's so at the same time that excited, especially after a first verse, the hook. Go see if you from a second match out, I bet a hook verse. I like I recorded. That's when you the
Gas.
yeah, we now through this. So yeah, that's it.
Okay.
Oh fuck, drugs, bro. Like grow up in like drug happy, trigger happy sbabo, yeah, bro. Drugs, I think it's a sbabo samo, yeah, bro. Kani, zazikhona sibambe sami sisekhona nangoku yabo, like yo, it's funny how like even ngelela xesha sakhula like akachange even now yabo, but yeah, lawe dibana ne-drugs sibambeke kwi-drugs lawe ufumaniseke uba sirekhode siyo-drugs asilali yabo, but as time goes you like outgrow lawe because you uyibone uba like ayikufanelanga yabo, and like it's not good for your health because like we were smoking drugs to the point whereby like we don't take them anymore. But often telanga yabo ngela xesha like nase addict, like we smoked the drugs. Often I used to smoke the drugs to the point whereby ningaphuphi yabo. So that's when I realized, but no, I have to stop all this shit yabo. Focus on the about their focus on like avoid the drugs, to be locked in, that's when like I stopped smoking the drugs, so I'm drug free now, drug free, sometimes we'll go Sapafa, busy perfect drug, and another way that needs to avoid from drug, I always advise niggas to seek help. Yeah, but like seek help now. There are rehabs whereby like rehabilitate and then like go back. Yeah, but because like it's not easy like uba caught up in drugs and then not feeling bad. Yeah, but shout out for help. Call them like much doesn't matter. There are people who are like qualified to rehabilitate abantu. Yeah, also like. I always like advise niggas to like, if you make it drugs, like rehabilitate, seek help, about 1, 2, 3. Now we ikala glaniuba for baba uyeke wena funa ukusuke nakwabantu bachayayo yabo amanabo uhambe nabanye abantu abakule craft yakho ifunayo. That's when like dadibana nechomi ke sifana no-Chipo Kanele. Like some of your good songs, trying to stay locked in SQD. I remember one of the things as an is about when you get to school, I was still in high school, but not for the Kumla animals. So Kumla next to a central, very drug happy area too. So imagine it has the corner smart way. It has the corner school way.
So
So like possibilities of how child drugs are high. So so it wasn't easy. I had to minus friends. But as in as such a like for zona ezinye zazo, like it wasn't easy for uyeka i-drugs njenganjalo uyabona hlobo. Because like i-drugs, chances of uba like uphambane yabo zi-drugs high than usinda uboya uphuma kuzo yabo. So kunjalo kunzima. I deal with the pressure by closing indlebe zami yabo. Abantu bayazithetha izinto, yo Gamo, you need to do this, you need to do that yabo. It's about time uthi, but people don't realize man you're in a pressure line yabo. And the moment you now realize man you're in a pressure line, that's when like the color like Paula from the pressure yabo. So like I block indlebe zami yabo, block my ears from yona bayithethayo abantu ndenza izinto bexesha lam yabo. But pressure ikhona yona ndayiva, hayi ndayiva, but ndiyazama uzithoba nawe yabo, like wait for the right time. And now is the right time for abantu babone kind of Ferragamo.
Bangubani?
Yeah. Sound yam is sound as suitable for young growing up Xhosa kids yabo. Zimamele umculo ungakho from lempilo siphilayo yabo. And I also have message behind ingoma zami, so uzathi samamele ingoma zami uve message within ibars zami yabo. And I always like speak positive yabo about myself, because like yonke le nto iqala kuwe as a rapper yabo. How can people perceive umculo wakho yabo? If awuzifili wena umculo wakho, then abantu bazawufila umculo wakho.
Okay, I feel you. Xa benza kubuza uba xa ubhalayo, do you pass i-message na?
Yes, I always.
You always pass i-message.
Always
So
pass message.
ezo message uzigqithisayo zibe zikhuthazwe sisimo okanye into efike yavela entloko?
Sometimes zibe zikhutshwa sisimo yabo. Like I always like umbhala ndiquke ubrother wamaselekayo yabo. So for them bantu like igama lakhe yabo, like ndingaphinde ndilibale yabo. Andithi uba ndizalibala yabo, but like I want like him.
Nabangayaziyo bamazi.
Yeah,
uyazi igama ebenobrother.
Brother, yeah.
I feel you.
Kunjalo. So i-messages zibakhona yabo, for abantu abangandaziyo ndibaxelela i-message uba ndinonjani yabo. So yeah.
Okay, I feel ndiyafuna ke sichaphazele kule brother wakho, akunangxaki. Okanye story for another day.
Akho pressure, we can talk about it.
Okay. Ngumkhulu wamusa.
Kumninawo. Yeah, ndingumkhulu sinayi-3 phaa kum, ndim, nguye, and then ibe nguNara. Kukhalo, nguMintsi, and then ibe nguNara. Yeah, so like Umintsi and I passed away late 2024 October. Yeah, passed away in October. Samfihlele ezilalini yabo phaa kwam. So yeah, nawe yabo umjita naye bephila isijita. Yeah, I feel, but unfortunately in abahlala kuyo yabo, very gun-related area yabo. So one chance or another, yakwazi sometimes ufele into ongayaziyo, or like amajita mos, you never know what aziphilayo yabo. You might like, uyawahlala nekids endlini bro, like that's how crazy shit is.
Ube ungayazi
wena, yeah, feel like that's how crazy shit is outside. So like you never know. You might die for the noise, you might die for the noise, but it's a trick, happy like so yeah, you're bound to lose your loved ones. One thing I can say like body and said in is that brother Wamo didn't live like his fullest life here, so he died when he was like 20 years old, as a bush. Yeah, so there was just a lot of shit that like should have like accomplished, even though like he accomplished those little things, like Pumeskela, like it's not easy for like Amachita, Pumeskela, like right. Like most of my children drop out from school and also like bemchila besithanda isikela lawe yabo uthanda isikela uthanda mechanics yabo full like thanda imoto language yabo car lover umshida yabo. That's one thing I know about him yabo. And like active yabo, very active. Sasimbiza ngosibhuti umshida yabhuthisa wala afike khona yabhuthisa gcwala ngosibhuti amashida asemama yamazi isibhuti yawo gcwala ngosibhuti yawo gcwala ngosibhuti nakanjani. A lot.
Take us through a lot.
A lot. I almost lost my life. A lot. I was in the city where nobody showed you pity from the start. Of which like I came from a city where nobody showed you pity from the start. Yeah, boy, like come to Catalina, so I said, mucho linguaje, so like. Umbahani way, like we don't show no pity for you, yabo. So lawe die and feel a lot like the theater stories kapana the theater stories the theater of how like the paramisa kabeka na call yabo, because mostly artists yabo past theater boom they like kabeka like a core support artists and support and stuff yabo. Zizinenzaziyo ezo yabo for sure zizinto ezibonayo yabo bazenzeka and kudala bakhala ngazo, but what then yabo, what then yikho support. So what am I gonna do about that yabo? That's why like ndingajavi yabo, because like eventually one person will come and support me, even though like kungazoza like abantu abaninzi to support yabo kwenzele like artists bona bayisupport khona yabo. There is the one person that supports me yabo, one way or another yabo. There are one or two people that supports me like come on, we see what you are doing yabo, come through yabo, let's push yabo. So you literally because because like I also had to find like a manager yabo, someone who's gonna manage Makano Fangamo, and like put it as a brand, because when I'm not associated as a brand, but I need someone who is equipped, so that who can like push my ideas further, into like the right places. No, I never thought of quitting. Like I'm not going to quit like I can't fake la way to man quit like we say hunger once a more. Yeah, I call it Indian for years Italian. I also wanna finish filmmaking, also wanna do filmmaking, because like I like to shoot, I like to be also behind the camera. As much as I like to be in front of the camera, but I also like to be behind the camera. So like I want to pursue my videographer field, I also want to like do music videos for people. I do music videos for people, not for it, because there's entertainer like there's entertainer content in the poster online. So like I like that part of like editing, and creating something, that's gonna like be good for image. Born and like the shop, like the Italian part. So as time goes, as man remains I might like take 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 6 months, 1 year. You never know. Like like project they are selling money for the best project as a also, I think the pursue as ezinto, but not to go like totally, can't tell the daybreak. Locally sikhona engisebenza nazo, locally ndiyasebenza like nazo. Bengifuna usebenza noJack, ukhona i-art ekuthiwa Apelela Kekwa, fire niggas. So I worked with the Jack on a track called Hottest Kabeja, which is still under list. So the sound of the time is right. But the time is now though. I'm pretty sure the time is now. but just ushare nje dates. I've worked with BMs locally, BMs Yamgena. I've worked with Chico Gagman locally, which is a hot artist too. And who else? Gemini. Work with Gemini, also hottest local artist that's like coming up. I'm still trying to he's still trying to ask me, he's still asking me to show him the ropes. So I'm busy helping him to even though now they're be on mainstream, but at least I can help a nigga that's want to be on my level. So mainstream, Garfield, obvious, April Young, obvious, Anati, obvious, Young Chief, obvious, Good Legend, obvious, Ifo, obvious, Banon, you Casper Nyovest.
Oh yeah, shout out.
We will assign to Casper, you are Casper for sure, Casper Nyovest, Maglera for sure. Pretty Ugly for sure. Blackie for sure. Sonyama. Lucas Raps for sure. Both Lucas Raps. Despite what's going on with him and Blackie, it doesn't mean I cannot work with Lucas Raps and work with Blackie at the same time.
I salute that.
One game down, look at I'm
Definitely.
I'm telling you, Lucas and family, now playing and family, I came down with that. It's always a tool, so those are the people. And female wise, I like to work with Ivokalisto Mosazana daughter. As Leluka, as vocalist the piano, if I could take a vocalist the piano and then put her on a hip hop song, and then go with Beth's Cross and a pie, but trying to create something South African,
something to blend.
Something to blend with. I don't feel like Kawan's piano was hip hop.
Yes, you can be amazed by Ababan piano by the hip hop.
Hip hop. He always says that.
Kuba bengafumani recognition baya kwipiano.
So njalo mhlawumbe nami ngavuka ngomsonto ngifuna ukukokota nami abona sakokota kodwa ngumotsho lolo khona manje bepusha nawo sibona nice ukhalo mshana PC salikokota always in them with them when they in studio naqala pusha xa sipusha videos so nakwaso performer sisibiza nemotsho lolo it's a fusion of artists piano artists, hip hop artists, beat makers, namachita visualizer so it's motsho lolo. One day uzaliva nikhe ukukhupha noma EP lawe piano ningothuki piano ningothuki noma unini anifumbe ixesha specific but ndaxelela lelo ba ukhona mjinamo ngoqhaye lapha icengwa so bana ndothi masenze EP he's down Ulati, shout out to Ulati nakajani.
So what is your take about umculo waseBhayi?
My take about umculo waseBhayi is that umculo waseBhayi umnandi why is it umnandi? If you can check as artists is mainstream most of them are close so to be umXhosa in the music industry there are pros and cons because if I understand Berlin if you book any borders uyazi uba abXhosa bakushutha njani eBerlin kanendlela nje light but andifuna ungena kule yinto because comment section izobalawi but uba i-artist engumXhosa amaXhosa ayakwazi ukwenza ingoma ezimnandi, yabo. Your Vusinovas, your Anati, your Yangas, yabo. Those are people that like are from the Eastern Cape, yabo. So in general, umculo wethu simenza imbali, yabo. It's music that can like alayimela like South Africa. Kwemibili emizayo kanye emihlanu. Kulo nyaka ndizibona ndiperforma Summer's Trend, because I think it's Nelson Mandela. Yabo, like I'm working towards going to there, yabo. Working towards making that stage, yabo. And after 2 years, I see myself like traveling from Gqeberha to other cities to make umculo as an artist. And then when you have start to, I'm performing all over, yabo, up in South Africa. Konyaka wesine, I should, like I want, even young, like I want to, konyaka wesine, I want to be like, be there, yabo, be artist, like gigs, left and right, and center, yabo, mali yangena, nozala ndikhuphile mjondolo, yabo, nami ndikhuphile mjondolo. Yeah, that's where I see myself in the next 5 years. I see myself like, not being playing down the Goyo. Even though ndingabakuyo nendawo kuyo, but at least like ndiyazi uba ezinye izinto ebendizifuna ndizachievile. I define success as like sesingilambile ngoku, so I define success as like having everything that you want at a specific time and like not like going to like maximum, like go out your way to like have something, yabo. That's how I see success. So yabo. Maybe like next year I might not be saying the same thing, yabo. So we don't teach the because like I'm very successful, yabo, but I feel like I'm successful and like I feel like today when I'm about the better yabo, I'm my own man, I'm successful, yabo. Currently taking from people, yabo. Money wise, yeah, even though like it might be seven being but this man, yeah,
So big.
Think about Bambisane. The way, as I said earlier on, I was like because I am ghetto, Kokwako, yabo, like eventually Sinabandu, Sinapemshabeni, yabo, and Sitsodwa. Yabo, like azikho the aliens and even though zikhona ngiyazi, but sisodwa on this earth and we need each other. Yabo, so the more we stick together as artists at Gqeberha, the more we create together, the more like izakhula artistry yalapha eGqeberha, the industry yalapha eGqeberha. Manje sona le mali kaloku Ernest.
Caca Dula.
Nginceda nawe, uyangibhatala for studio session, ndiyakubhatala for studio session, ndiyarekhoda, ndifumane ingoma yam. Ndiyakubhatala for unshuta ividiyo, ndifumane ividiyo yam. Yabo, siyancedana olaa hlobo. Yabo, azokwazi kaloku ukuthi ufuna uncedo kum, kodwa akho nto ezanceda nam. Yabo, so sibambisane ngemali bro. Sisebenzisa nefo, sikhuphe imali ngokuthweni.
Yeah.